The landscape of B2B sales is dramatically transforming, driven by demo automation that's revolutionizing traditional practices. Gone are the tedious hours spent preparing custom demos filled with technical glitches that confuse prospects. Modern demo automation platforms like Storylane streamline demonstrations, allowing sales teams to focus on essential relationships and closing deals. Companies report an astounding 80% reduction in demo preparation time and remarkable improvements in conversion rates. Features like dynamic content personalization and real-time analytics redefine how products are presented to potential customers. Storylane empowers sales teams with simple, interactive demos that require no technical expertise and ensure consistent quality. Create engaging experiences in 5 straightforward steps, starting with capturing your product's interface directly. No more mock-ups. No-code editing lets users modify demos instantly, adapting each experience to meet specific prospect needs with ease. Interactive guides transform passive viewing into engaging explorations, inviting prospects to discover your product's value firsthand. Once demos are ready, sharing them is effortless. Embed on websites or send via email to ensure seamless engagement. Storylane provides detailed analytics that track how prospects interact with demos, identifying key insights for strategy optimization. Integration with tools like Salesforce and HubSpot creates a unified sales and marketing stack, enhancing impact through synergy. Companies report striking metrics with demo automation, including a 40% reduction in sales cycle length and a 60% increase in conversions. Consistency in branding and regular updates ensures that demos remain impactful, tailored to your audience's needs. The future promises exciting innovations like AI-driven personalization and virtual reality demos to enhance the prospect experience. By adopting demo automation, you're not just upgrading capabilities, you're fundamentally transforming your entire sales process. Ready to revolutionize your demo process? Explore how automation can elevate your sales approach and leave prospects impressed.